My feet on the sand, this moment feels old. Time slows down, whispers in the breeze. Heart finds its rhythm, floating with ease. Calm heart groove, let it soothe. Calm heart groove, find your truth. Beat steady like the ocean song. Calm heart groove, where we belong. Shadows stretch long, the moon takes its place. Stars light the path, a celestial embrace. Drums in my chest, they echo the night. The rhythm of peace holding me tight. Let the bass line roll deep and wide. Let the guitar skank a joyful guide. Echoes bounce like thoughts in my mind. Calm heart groove, leave worries behind. Calm heart groove, let it soothe. Calm heart groove, find your truth. Beat steady like the ocean song. Calm heart groove, where we belong. Feel the dub, let it wrap around. Heartbeat strong, a healing sound. Calm heart groove, it never fades. Roots of peace in the music lays. The sun sinks low, paints the sky with gold. My feet on the sand, this moment feels old. Time slows down, whispers in the breeze. Heart finds its rhythm, floating with ease. Calm heart groove, let it soothe. Calm heart groove, beats strong, a healing sound, calm heart groove. It never fades, roots of peace in the music lay.
The sun dips low in a smoky sky. Shadows dance where the heartbeats lie. A rhythm rolls where the river sigh. Dub of affection, it's the sound I feel. Spinning and turning like a vinyl wheel. Dub of affection, it's my only shield. A wave of bass, it shakes my bones. Echoes ripple through the twilight zones. Lost in the pulse, I'm never alone. Can you feel it calling deep inside? A love that moves just like the tide. Love of affection, it's the sound I feel. Spinning and turning like a vinyl wheel. Love of affection, it's my only shield. Raindrops fall like riddims in time. Each one a spark, each one sound I feel, spinning and turning like a vinyl wheel. Dub of affection is my only Raindrops fall like riddims in time, each one a spark, each one a sign. A heartbeat's truth, no need for rhyme. Love of affection, it's the sound I feel. Waves whisper low, the tide don't lie, palms sway slow beneath the sky. The moon winks a sly goodbye, island kiss, sweet like this. Island kiss, can't resist. Island kiss, feel the bliss. Sand burns gold, a barefoot tail, sea breeze bold, it lifts my sail. The horizon hums, a drifting trail. The echo calls, it bends, it twists, a melody falls through the mist. Island kiss, oh island kiss. Island kiss, sweet like this. Island kiss, can't resist. Island kiss, feel the bliss. Dub it slow, let it roll, let it hiss. Echoes flow, chasing that island kiss. Oh, island kiss, sweet like this. spirits dwell. The bassline speaks, casting its spell. Fire in the sound, cool as the breeze. Unity flows, breaking all degrees. Feel the echo, the space between. Love unseen, but always keen. Dub it heavy, dub it slow. Let the vibration grow and grow. Love chant, feel it in the air. Love chant, take it everywhere.
concrete, steady and true. Leaves whisper secrets, the sky turns blue. I hear the ground say its melody. The seeds we sow will rise someday, breaking the stone, finding their way. A quiet strength beneath the clay. Roots of care, they hold me tight. Through the dark, they find the light. Roots of care, they never fade. In the earth, all love is made. Roots of care, they hold me tight. Through the dark, they find the light. Roots of care, they never fade. In the earth, our love is made.
Rastaman chant, roots in the ground. Feel the bassline, heart unbound. Smoke and mirrors, truth all around. Roots of care, spread in the air. Hold me close, we're going somewhere. Roots of care, love and repair. the soil beats steady and bold. Together we rise like the morning sun. One rhythm, one heart, we all beat as one. Roots of togetherness, never undone. Together we rise like the morning sun. From the seed to the tree to the fruit in our hand, we grow side by side like grains in the sand. Through storms and shadows, through joy and pain, roots hold the ground while we dance in the rain. Hold tight, feel the pull of the sound. Unity grows where love is found. Together we rise like the morning sun. One rhythm, one heart, we all beat as one. Roots of togetherness, never undone. Together we rise like the morning sun. The drum talks the truth, it don't lie, no way. The bass hums the pulse of a brand new day. The skank of the guitar says come what may. Roots hold us steady, come what Roots run deep like the earth knows my name. Branches stretch wide through the fire and rain. Whispers of the wind carry stories untold. The heart of the soil beats steady and bold. Together we rise like the morning sun. One rhythm, one heart, we all beat as one. Roots of togetherness, never undone. Together we rise like the morning sun. From the seed to the tree to the fruit in our hand, we grow side by side like grains in the sand. Through storms and shadows, through joy and pain, roots hold the ground while we dance in the rain. Hold tight, feel the pull of the sound. Unity grows where love is found. Together
clouds drift lazy, sky so wide. Drum beats roll like the ocean tide. Roots dig deep where the soul resides. In the sweet harmony, we all collide. Let it move, let it sway, let it guide you every day. Sweet harmony flow, let it grow in your heart, let it glow. Sweet harmony flow, let it show. Feel the love, let it go. Every note is a wave, every chord a breeze, every lyric's a seed, planted with ease. Hear the echoes, they bend, they weave in this sweet harmony. We believe. Sunrise whispers through the trees. Soft winds carry island dreams. Rhythm dances on the sea. A sweet harmony setting us free. Sweet harmony flow, let it grow in your heart, let it glow. Sweet harmony flow, let it show. Feel the love, let it go. Clouds drift lazy, sky so wide. Drum beats roll like the ocean tide. Roots dig deep where the soul resides. In the sweet harmony, we all collide. Let it move, let it sway, let it guide you every day. Sweet harmony flow, let it grow in your heart, let it glow. Sweet harmony flow, let it show. Feel the love, let it go. Every note is a wave, every chord a breeze, every lyric's a seed, planted with ease. Hear the echoes, they bend, they weave. In this sweet harmony, we believe. soul flow. Let it rise, let it grow. Feel the beat, feel the glow. Warm soul flow, moving steady, moving slow. Raindrops tap on the tin roof song. The night's a blanket, wide and long. Stars above blink, right or wrong. Feet on the soil, bare and free. A rhythm lives in you and me. The ocean's voice hums harmony. Warm soul flow, let it rise, let it grow. Feel the beat, feel the glow. Warm soul flow, moving steady, moving slow. Every wave, every breeze carries whispers from the sea. Warm soul flow, let it rise, let it grow. Feel the beat, feel the glow. Warm soul flow, moving steady, moving slow. Moving slow. Moving slow. Sun melts the ground slow. Roots whisper where winds don't go. A heartbeat thumps steady and low. Branches wave like they know my name. Shadows dance in the fire's flame.